Hey there, fellow Internet Explorers. Welcome back to our channel. We're diving into the depths of web browsing to tackle a common challenge, clearing cookies for a specific website in Chrome. If you've ever wondered how to wipe away those pesky digital crumbs or gain a fresh start with a particular site, you're in the right place. Whether you're troubleshooting website issues, protecting your privacy, or simply starting anew, knowing how to clear cookies for a specific website in Chrome can be a real game changer. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button. The first and easiest way to clear cookies for a specific website in Chrome is to use the padlocks icon options. Open Chrome and go to the website that you want to clear cookies for. Click the padlock icon next to address bar. In the drop-down menu, choose the Cookies and Site Data option. Click on Manage Cookies and Site Data. On the pop-up window that appears, select the cookie you want to clear and click the Remove button. Do this for every cookie you want to remove. Finally, click on the Done button and refresh the website or restart Chrome. You can also clear cookies for a specific website from Chrome settings. Here's how. On your Google Chrome browser, click on the Menu button. Click on Privacy and Security. Click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Find the website whose cookies you want to delete or type its name in the search bar. Click the Delete icon next to the site's name to delete all the cookies stored for it, or click its name to view and delete the cookies stored for it individually. Click the Clear button on the warning pop-up, restart Chrome, and you're done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. We appreciate your support.